So you go on Amazon.com, the place where you spend all your money on useless junk or whatever your mind can dream up. And you find this camera that just looks absolutely amazing. You read all about it. It says it does all this stuff, and you could make a quality film with it, like pro Hollywood stuff. So you order it up because you need to improve your channel and make it look more professional, because all of this is real professional, and you need to upgrade from your piece of junk 2010 camera that has the quality of cutting a hole in a potato and looking through it. So you get that amazing camera in the mail after you spend, I don't know, a couple $100 on it, because it's way too cheap for everything it says it does. And you get it in the mail, and the first thing you see is this on it. Yeah, that's quality right there. That's what it is. That's what it is. You make a few YouTube videos with it, and turns out it wasn't even worth the effort at all, and you just wasted all that prime money that you could have spent buying another something like this or like this that'll greatly serve you better. So take that, you piece of junk. All right, what are we doing today besides reviewing products and wasting money? We're gonna move some junk around, because the only reason you have to move junk around is so you can get more junk in the way, and then you have to keep moving that. We're gonna move this. I bought this for 50 bucks, rolled over 95 Ford, got some good lift kit parts and a front axle that I could use on the other 82 Ford over there. So it's just prime for more project material. But like anything around here, it's in the way, and I need to put something else here. So just got to top off the old transmission on the 41 Chevy there, and we're gonna pick this thing up, because that's how I got it there in the first place. We're gonna pick it up and put it somewhere in that direction. So yeah, filming on my fancy iPhone 10 today. Don't know why I didn't do that a long time ago, but I decided to buy a piece of junk China camera from Amazon and thought, oh, you can do better with that. That's the result. Look at this, they don't make them like they used to. Barely anything there. You open the hoods on vehicles nowadays and they look something like that. Let's put some fluid in that and fire it up. All right, got the Fords moved over there. Let's fire up the Chevy. Got the transmission top back off so it's not dry. All right, let's get it chained up. Now we need some of these. Well, I'm getting somewhere now. Going good. Now just to wheel it on the front, down into there, the steering's already tied. So it should go pretty good now. All right, well, that went well. Got it in here out of the way. Can still use this trail. It's in here by this other Ford. Worked great. Yeah. Room for more junk out there now. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. And until the next video, see you later.